Hi, welcome to Zoom and Grooming training. I am going to show you how to navigate this website. On the Orientation tab, you will see a presentation that will inform you about the history and best practices of Zoom and Grooming. Once finished there, head over to the Training Session tab. Here, you will learn how to have a successful dog walking experience. This tutorial also has a quiz, so pay attention to it. Once you're finished, head over to the Do's and Don'ts tab. Here, you will learn about what to do and don't do during a dog walk. Once you're finished there, head over to the Be a Super Dog Walker. Being a successful dog walker is the key to have an enjoyable experience for you and the pet. Finally, click on the Discussion tab where you will answer one question. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and hope you enjoyed this training.